Hi. This is Jaspreet. Welcome to my tutorial Easy Math. In this video, we will solve another exponential problem.
Alright, let's break down the solution step by step. We start with the equation. X to the power of 10 equals 25 to the power of x. To solve it, we raise both sides to the power of 1 upon 10. Which gives us x to the power of 10 to the power of 1 upon 10 equals 25 to the power of x to the power of 1 upon 10. By applying the exponential law, a to the power of m to the power of n equals a to the power of mn. And we can simplify 25 to 5 to the power of 2, resulting in x to the power of 10 multiplied by 1 upon 10 equals 5 to the power of 2 to the power of x multiplied by 1 upon 10. Now, it is simplified to x equals 5 to the power of x upon 5. Now, we raise both sides to the power of 1 upon x. X to the power of 1 upon x equals 5 to the power of x upon 5 to the power of 1 upon x. Simplifying the exponents, we get x to the power of 1 upon x equals 5 to the power of 1 upon 5. Now, since a to the power of a equals b to the power of b, we conclude that a equals b. Therefore, x equals 5. And there you have it, folks. We've successfully solved the equation. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more math tutorials and problem-solving strategies. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.